commerce graduate. I have a very short question, that is, can a Muslim donate their body organs? Thank you.
Sister has asked a question and she said that it's a very short question, but it carries a lengthy answer. Sister has asked an important question, can a Muslim donate the organ? Sister, this topic was into discussion for a very long time between the Muslim scholars. They have given details when a Muslim can donate and when they can't donate. Without going into much detail of it, because you asked a very short question, in short, I'll give you the fundamentals. The first most important fundamental is that donation of the organ should not be on commercial basis. Heart, 5 lakh, kidneys, 20 lakh. This should not continue. Or the opposite way, I don't know the rates, how they are being sold now. But if you are doing it commercially, it should not be done. You should not donate any organ of your body that can cause a severe damage to your life. Third, to whomever you are donating, you should be sure that after he is donated, he does not become an oppressor. He is not one of the oppressors. You shouldn't help him in spreading evil on earth. Allah in Surah number 4, ayah number 85. If you intercede in good matter, you will get a reward for it. If you intercede in a bad or evil matter, you will be punished for it equally. And there are other conditions given. The first and foremost was not for commercial basis. I hope I answered that question. Later you can contact the IREF and get the